Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on game in Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, you want to turn on game, you want to use game, you want to play game in your Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, let's see how to play game and how to turn on game in Nokia keypad mobile. One by one, step by step we will talk about. Without waste time, open your phone, snake setting, and friends if you click your OK option, so friends you can use your new game, you can change your gavel. Also friends, you can change your game level and game type. You can use high score, you can check game sound, you can on and you can off your game sound. So in game type friends, you can see classic, box, tunnel, mail and rails you can use. So friends, I will use classic. Done option, click here friends. If you click a new game, OK option, you can start your new game and you can use your game, you can play game in your Nokia keypad mobile. So friends, 4 button you can use: down, up, left, right. You can use left, up, right, down. So like that friends, you can on game in your Nokia keypad mobile and you can use game. And if you click here OK option friends, you can see your game will pause and you want to continue, again tap on OK button, your game will continue. And friends, if you touch your snake, so friends you can see game over. So like that friends, and now you want to check your score, so you can check your score. Click your high score, you can check score. And you want to reset your score, so you can reset your high score. So friends, you can see we don't have any high score. And again, if you play game in your Nokia keypad mobile, so friends you can check your score. After game over friends, click here game high score setting and you can check your score. So like that friends, you can use game setting, game sound setting, you can use game level, you can change new game you can use. So like that friends, you can use your snake game setting in your Nokia keypad mobile. And friends, if you click at this car game, so friends you can see you will have to buy and you can use your free trials. But friends, I have already used, I have played this game, so I cannot use. So friends, you can use your snake game in your Nokia keypad mobile, you can use your snake game without any problem. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.